Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this office chair, actually memory foam office chair that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line of this chair is that, number one, it is fancy, it is elegant. You're going to see it with the golden accents everywhere and the white accents as well, so that's another good thing about this one. It's elegant, it's fancy, it could be really good for like a decoration in a home office or something like if you want to kind of like stand up your office decoration, that could be really, really good. The other good thing about this one is that it's a tall chair. As you can see over here, it's a tall chair. I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and this one supports 330 pounds. But talking about the tallness that it is, I think this one, it goes up to, for people that is up to 6.1, 6.2, I want to say that is a tall chair, but of course it's not a gigantic chair. It's not one of those like super big and bulky chairs. And of course the memory foam and all the pads over here, it's what makes it to be so comfortable. It's also padded on the armrest right here. You're going to see that in a second. And also right here with the memory foam pillow or the cushion over here. Let's take a closer look so you can see some of the golden accents. So here's what I was telling you before about the golden accents everywhere. You can see them right here on the armrest. You can see it on the legs. You can see it on the actual frame. And of course, it looks really nice in this white color. But you can see this a little bit better on a close-up, how well padded it is right here. And also right here on the armrest. And of course, right here with the memory foam pad, which is kind of like, it's a high density memory foam. What I want to say is kind of like super firm, but it's more cushioned right here on the edges for better circulation. And of course, like every other chair, you can modify the height of this one. Remember, 330 pounds. But now I'm gonna lock this one. You can see that this one is not moving. And then when I unlock it, it kind of like gives this really nice rocking feature, which I think it's a good thing to have just to relax a little bit and chill a little bit as well. So tall chair, 330 pounds, super easy assemble, really easy assemble. It took me about like no more than 20 minutes or 15-20 minutes tops with the golden accents, tall chair as well. And of course, it is comfy, but also stylish. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.